If your patient can speak but struggles to understand what they read, you're not alone, and there's a tool built for exactly that. Parrot Software's cognitive exercises target reading and comprehension at every level, from matching single words to understanding full paragraphs. Patients work through structured tasks that rebuild the connection between seeing words and processing their meaning, a common challenge after stroke or brain injury. Progress is tracked automatically, so you can see exactly where breakthroughs are happening and where more support is needed. The caregiver dashboard lets families stay involved between sessions, so therapy doesn't stop when the appointment ends. With 90-plus therapy programs trusted by SLPs worldwide, Parrot Software gives you a clinical-grade tool your patients can use every single day. Start your free trial today and go to app.parrotsoftware.com to see how it works.